Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be demonstrating a new feature in SecureCRT version 9.7, which allows individuals to save snapshots, where tabbed or tiled session arrangements can be saved and recalled. Let's say that I have a group of 5 sessions in this Session Manager folder to which I regularly connect, and I always want to have these sessions displayed in a specific tab order arrangement. Once I arrange the tabs so they are in the desired order, I can save a snapshot of this layout by going to the File menu, choosing Save Snapshot, Save As, and then giving the snapshot a name. In another case, I might want connections arranged in a set of tab groups. I'll drag 2 of these tabs to their own group below. Again, I'll go to File, Save Snapshot, Save As, and I'll give the snapshot a name. Another arrangement scenario might involve having tiled sessions. I'll change my window mode to tile vertically. I'll adjust my window size. And I'll make some of these tiles different sizes so they're just how I want them. Once I'm ready, I'll open the File menu again, choose Save Snapshot, Save As, and give it a name. Now that I have a number of saved snapshots, I'll close all of my existing connections and use this empty SecureCRT window to demonstrate ways a snapshot can be loaded. First, there's the File menu where I can choose Open Snapshot and select any of the saved snapshots to open. If I choose the tabular snapshot, SecureCRT restores the same tabbed layout that I saved earlier. Another way to open a snapshot is to launch SecureCRT with the /snapshot command line option. Since I'm currently running SecureCRT on a Windows machine, I'm going to create a desktop shortcut using this quick trick. I'll right-click any random session in the Session Manager and choose Create Desktop Shortcut. I'll name this to match the snapshot I want to open, and shortly after I press the OK button, I'll see that SecureCRT created a shortcut on my desktop here. I'm simply going to repurpose that shortcut to launch SecureCRT and have it load my designated snapshot. I'll open the shortcut's properties and change the target field here. I'll simply add snapshot to the end of the existing /s so it becomes /snapshot, and then I'll replace the session name in the double quotes here with the name of the snapshot that I want to open. Once I press OK to save my changes, I now have a shortcut that will launch SecureCRT and automatically open the snapshot. Because I'm running SecureCRT on Windows here, there's a convenient way to access recent snapshots. If SecureCRT is pinned to the Windows taskbar, I can right-click the SecureCRT icon and I'll see there's a Recent Snapshots section, and I can choose any of the snapshot names listed there. If there's a snapshot I always want to have listed at the top, I can just pin it so that it's always in the same spot when I right-click on the icon. Lastly, if I want to have a specific snapshot always open automatically when I launch SecureCRT, I can open Global Options, navigate to the Auto Session category, and enable the Use Snapshot option. Then I simply pick the desired snapshot from the drop-down list and press the OK button to save my preference. The next time I open a brand new instance of SecureCRT, the specified snapshot configuration will automatically be loaded. If I end up with a lot of snapshots, I can use the Snapshot Manager to see them all with the ability to rename, duplicate, delete, or open any of them from here. If I ever want to modify or adjust an existing snapshot, I simply load the snapshot, adjust the session arrangement, and then save my changes with File, Save Snapshot, Update. The next time I open the snapshot, the layout adjustments I made will be reflected. Now it's your turn. Give it a shot, and in a snap, you might find a use for SecureCRT's new Snapshots feature. That's all I have for this video. Stay secure, my friends.